Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. I'm sure many of you have enjoyed stuffed parathas, but today we're going to make these very simple, flaky and tasty plain parathas. So why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. For the plain paratha, I've taken 2 cups of wheat flour, that is atta. Make a small well in the center. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon AJWAIN, it's carom seeds. Now if you don't want this, you don't have to use it, but it definitely adds a lot of flavor to the parathas. Add 2 tablespoons ghee. Mix everything together. Gradually add the hot water a little at a time and start mixing the dough. Adding hot water will make the dough nice and soft. So knead the dough till it's all combined together. Knead it for about 5 minutes. Cover the dough with a moist cloth. Leave it for 30 minutes at room temperature. So after 30 minutes, the dough is nice and soft. Divide it into equal sized balls to make the parathas. Dust a little flour on the rolling surface. Roll it out nice and thin. So once you've rolled it out nice and flat, fold it into half and then fold it again to form a nice triangle. So just gently roll it out nice and flat. So here you're going to have all these nice layers. Now I've rolled out all the parathas. Next, heat the tawa. Once the tawa is nice and hot, maintain the flame on a medium. Place the paratha on the hot tawa. Cook it on both sides till you get a lovely golden brown color. Once you see the brown spots, add some ghee on both sides. These parathas are nice and flaky on the top and they're very soft in the center. Once the paratha is cooked, remove it from the tawa and serve it hot. So there you go, you can see how delicious they look. They're so crispy on the outside and very nice and soft on the inside. They go perfectly well with any side dish of your choice. So instead of eating the same old fulkas or plain chapatis, try these parathas. They're excellent and enjoy.